And the movie this pistol is most iconically associated with? You've been asking it for months in the comments. Directed by Michael Mann and filmed in glorious cinematic Super 35mm with the same visual style that made Heat an instant classic. Jamie Foxx plays Max, an everyday man, a taxi driver in the wrong place at the wrong time, and his fate crosses with a true apex predator, Vincent, a cold, efficient, and utterly ruthless hitman. And it's Tom Cruise who brings Vincent to life in a massive departure from his usual hero roles, proving that as an actor, he really can do it all. And then there's that scene, the one every gun guy in the world knows by heart. But the real co-star of this movie? It's the pistol, built and tested to the same demanding standards as the Mark 23. Today, we'll be analysing every scene and every shot it's fired in, and scoring it by the usual rules of Hollywood Gun's firearm accuracy.